Victor.
Victor, how old are you? 5 years old. Did you go to school?
Yes.
What grade are you in?
5.
Wow! Matalino to. Accelerated. Sige. What is your favorite subject?
English.
Wow! His favorite subject is English. Can I ask you something about English? Yes. Sige, baba mo yung kamay mo. Ganito po. Magbibigay po ako ng Tagalog words tapos ita-translate mo sa English. Okay po ba yun? Po, sige. Kids, quiet ha. Huwag niyo siya tuturuan ha. Sige, listen. For our first question. Ano sa English ng aso?
Dog.
Wow! Very good. How about pusa?
Cat.
Wow! Very good. How about kabayo?
Horse.
Horse. How about baka?
Donkey.
Corned beef. Very good, very good. Opo, pinasok niyo na po sa lata para hindi na po mahirap. Sige, how about, ano sa English na upuan?
Chair.
Oh, ng sigarilyo. Ano ba? Marlboro daw po. O sige, huwag na natin tanongin. Ay sige, ano naman po ang gusto mong paglaki? What do you want to be when you grow up?
A police.
A police! Very good! So sana paglaki mo, matupad mo yung dream mo na maging police, ha? O sige, but this time, we need to greet Alexa and along this way naman. So ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Alexa.
Make it longer like this. Happy birthday, Alexa! Make it longer as long as you can. Okay, so one more. I will give you another chance. Ready?